Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's up? It's me again. If you are not following me on social media, then go ahead and do that right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button in the corner. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, tell all your friends, you know. I think back in August, I was just messing around with my makeup and I just came up with a really cute eyeshadow look. So I was like, why don't I try to like recreate this look, you know? The girl needs some more subbies. Right now I'm at 54 subscribers. I wonder, do you think I can get to like, I don't want to give myself a really big goal, but do you think I can get to like 70 subscribers by the end of this month? I'm gonna try to get to 70 subscribers by the end of this month. Right now we're at 54, so that's like 15, is it? I don't know, I'm really just guessing at the top of my head. If you have any suggestions, comments, or advice you want to throw at me, then let your girl know. I'm all ears. If you want to know how to get this look, then watch the video, sis. That's all I'm gonna say. Just watch the video. Be careful, stay safe, wear your mask. I'm trying to stay healthy for 2021, okay? I will see you in my next video. Be safe. I already had to do my eyebrows because I'm gonna be here forever and a day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a review on this brow product because lately this has been like the plug. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna take down that eyebrow tutorial that I posted and I'm gonna make a new one. Maybe it'll be like a review slash demo, something like that. I'm actually gonna be recreating a look that I did a while ago. Probably back in August I did this look. I'm gonna use the Alyssa Edwards and the Norvina. So today I was really trying to be completely positive. I've been like really discouraged. I don't know, it's like my fear has been taking over and I have it stuck in my head that I won't do a video right, it won't come out the way I want it to. So it's like, what's the point of even trying? The other day I tried to make a video and I wanted to do something different, you know, probably like a double liner or something like that. So anyway, like I said, I was trying to do something different and it just wasn't coming out right. I tried it like 2 times, and you know how when you wipe off your eyeshadow, you know, your eye starts to get irritated. Like, I was at that point because I was just like, this isn't coming out right, like what's going on? And usually when I feel like that, I just tell myself, you know what, we're just gonna have to start over like another day. I really hate that I'm my biggest critic because I judge everything. Like, if I feel like it's not right, then I won't feel confident about it. I have to like look at this picture because I know what shadows I use. So I basically lost like 2 nails. Like, look at this. Look at my pancake. I just took it off. It was doing too much. And the thing is, I used to be really, really rough with my nails, especially back when I was working as a bartender. Oh my gosh, I was popping nails left and right. I went to a friend's house. Oh my gosh, I can't even do it. I went to a friend's house or whatever, and we were all, you know, drinking or whatever. We're trying to like listen to music, and he's asking everyone, what do you guys want to hear? And then he's like, you know what? I know what I'm gonna play. He puts on my freaking YouTube videos. I almost lost my shit. Like, you guys know, I really I don't have confidence in myself. So watching my videos was so crazy. I didn't know what to do about life. It's weird when I'm like editing the video. It's fine about that because, you know, I'm editing it and then I'm just gonna post it. You know, whoever watches it, that's who watches it. But when somebody plays it for you on a big screen TV, I had my hood over my head. Like, I was curled up in a little ball. It was ridiculous. I couldn't contain myself. Like, the inside of me is just screaming for help. Like, my heart was in my stomach. Back when I was in college, I took like a public speaking class, and I hate public speaking. I really do. If that was just one thing that just wasn't invented, I would be fine with life. I was like, what is the point of this? I'm never going to do this. I'm never going to learn how to do this. Like, where am I going to be speaking in front of like thousands and thousands of people? We actually had a presentation to do, and I think it was supposed to be like 5 minutes or something like that. I was up there for like a minute, like that's how bad it was. I guess YouTube kind of helps with that. I mean, it does, but it doesn't, because like I'm basically talking to myself because no one's around. Maybe it's just like me being shy, but I swear, like, I'm not like that all the time. So it's like, it's weird, because like if you know me, then you know I'm not really like the shyest person in the world. And the fact that he was like supporting me, like trying to play the videos and stuff, I love him for it though. It was really sweet. I don't even know if I'm doing this the right shadows. Like, I don't think I use this shade, but I'm throwing it in there anyway. So yeah, I woke up today and I was like, you know what, today's gonna be a really positive day. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get something done. Tried to plan my morning out, did a little bit of cleaning, and then I made some breakfast. After I did that, I went to Starbucks and I got me a drink. I honestly don't even know if this is the exact look. Like, I don't remember putting at least a good like 2 of these shadows on, but it's whatever, it's already on there. Anybody else like use pink eyeshadows like this, and when you go to wash your face it doesn't come off? I think it's just this eyeshadow palette, because every time I use this pink and I go to like take it off, there's still like, you know, like the pink stains my eyelids. I think I'm gonna have another goal for 2021. I think I'm gonna try to work on like my self-esteem, the little things I don't like about myself, like insecurities. I think I'm really gonna try to like, you know, fix them or get rid of them, because there are things about myself that I really don't like. Because it's really good to have confidence in yourself. You can't bring me down or tell me anything that's gonna like upset me, because what's not a thing, especially not for 2021. Like, do things that make me happy. I really just want to have really good positivity. I want to have really good energy around me. I don't want no bad vibes. Like, no, that's just, I don't think I'm gonna be dealing with that. Like, this is the lash pack that has like 30 freaking lashes in it, and there's like 5 in here. Has anybody ever tried to put on lashes and then you put on mascara? Is that like a thing? Like, can you even do that? Like, I'm kind of curious. I don't think I want to try it though. Like, ever since I learned to put on eyelashes, I can't go a look without eyelashes. Lashes like tie everything together. Like, this lash looks alright and this one is like screaming. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna move on to the skin. I use the Fenty skin cleanser, and I use the CeraVe, the foaming cleanser. I like to use both, but like, you know, I still have a couple of these like dark marks I'm trying to get rid of. I learned to control the oil on my face, so that's good, because I used to be mad oily. It used to be so bad. I've been putting bio oil, and I've been using this Pure Tropic Scar and Blemish Remover. I want to make like a skincare routine video, like probably like a nighttime thing, like when I'm like removing my makeup and stuff. But it's like, do you guys want to see a skincare routine? For my foundation, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty. I think I'm gonna do just a little bit of this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I've been doing that trick where you put setting powder in your foundation. I put like just a little bit of it. I don't know, I kind of like it. It makes it like a little bit thicker, so I feel like it lasts longer. When I'm mixing it, it feels like I'm baking a cake. Like, I've been watching a lot of TikToks that involve like, you know, girls doing their makeup. Oh my gosh, lately I've been getting, I think with this whole adding powder to my foundation, my makeup has been lasting all day, guys. Like, yesterday I went to take my makeup off, after I wet it, like nothing moved. I think I'm gonna have to like make a video of like 24-hour foundation, because my makeup barely smudged. I mean, everything was still on fleek. Contour was on fleek. The eyeshadow was still there. Like, nothing was budget, okay? I'm actually gonna contour my face too. I've been doing like my powder, and I haven't been going as crazy. Like, I'm not really baking as much as I used to now, I'm really just like lightly setting. So I'm still trying to get used to this NARS bronzer that I got. Like I feel like I can probably just put this on and then, you know, like I'll be okay. It kind of gives me like a nice subtle look. It's not like too much. This feels like a really nice subtle look. Like I'm loving the face. It feels so light to me. Like I don't want to do too much. I really don't know if that made a difference, but it's fine. I think I'm gonna do like a white liner with some shadow underneath. I really should get like a smaller white pencil, because this is like the jumbo one. I'm going with that shadow I put underneath my eyes. I mean the shadow that I put on my lid. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Oh my goodness. Thinking of like my inner tear duct color, my shadow. Okay, so in the picture I have purple, but I feel like I can do yellow in this. Should I do yellow, guys? I'm gonna do yellow. I'm gonna go out the box. I say go out the box like I'm doing something so dramatic, and I'm really not. I'm so stupid. I feel like this yellow could have been more brighter. I feel like it doesn't look that bright on the eyes. For my highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this, what is this? Laura Geller, and this is in the shade Diamond Dust. I think I want to get some contacts because I don't want to wear my glasses and have on lashes. I feel like they like really get in the way. I know I can't be the only one that has like that one favorite lip combo. Just, you know, I feel like one lip looks really good on me, so it's like, why would I even try to do anything different? I'm gonna go with some gloss. I'm gonna use this Anastasia lip gloss. This is in the shade Undressed. This actually completes the look. I think this is so cute. I'm loving this. This gives me like beach vibes all over. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, you know, show your girl some love. Be safe, stay cute. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Be safe.